This is just for the thumbnail. Right. Hello everyone. It is Ed Small here. The puppetress or puppeteer, whatever. Here out with a new puppet. This is, I don't know what to call him yet. Y'all guys type in the comments what to call this little fellow. So he's a bird. He is American Robin. He has a mechanism. Go and zoom up on that. So the two wires, as I showed y'all guys before, when I said the new puppet was coming out, got two wires, a washer, a blue thing, and a rubber band. You move his head for every which way. It's pretty cool.
Like our
So,
like our sound.
see you guys later.